As Chinese aggression continues to grow in the Indian Ocean, India's National Security Advisor Ajit Doval has arrived in Sri Lanka for a high-level regional maritime dialogue. Earlier today, he met the President of Sri Lanka, Gotabaya Rajapaksa. This is his second meeting with the Sri Lankan President as of this year. Sri Lanka is hosting the fourth National Security Advisor trilateral meeting on maritime security cooperation with India and the Maldives. This is the first foreign visit of Ajit Doval amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Who is representing India? The Defence Secretary, Major General Kamal Gunaratne, is representing Sri Lanka, and Defence Minister Maria Didi is representing the Maldives. Mauritius and Seychelles will be observing the trilateral meet. India's External Affairs Ministry has called the Maritime Security Cooperation Meet an effective platform for cooperation among the Indian Ocean countries, which will provide the participating nations an opportunity for discussion on issues pertaining to cooperation in maritime security in the Indian Ocean region. The Maldives Foreign Ministry has said that the meet will see discussions on quote-unquote most pressing issues surrounding maritime security in the Indian Ocean region. Now, this meeting is taking place 6 years after the last meeting. The first India-Maldives-Sri Lanka trilateral meeting took place in 2011 in the Maldives, the second one in Sri Lanka in 2013, and the third one in India in 2014. The Indian Ocean region sees 80% of world trade, a substantial oil trade, which is also passing through its waters. It has 4 choke points, the most important being the Strait of Malacca, which, if disrupted, can lead to disruptions in global trade. In the last few months, China has increased the presence of its vessels in the Indian Ocean, a worrisome factor for several countries in the region. Apart from being a security concern, these Chinese vessels have been found indulging in illegal, unreported and unregulated activities. Joining us live on the broadcast from New Delhi is our principal diplomatic correspondent, Siddhant Sibal. Siddhant, a lot to look forward to from this crucial visit. Bring us up to speed with what you're gathering through your sources on what New Delhi hopes to achieve.
Well, today is indeed an interesting day because while the Indian Foreign Secretary is in Nepal, the Indian External Affairs Minister is in Seychelles, the Indian National Security Advisor is in Colombo, and clearly it shows how India is reaching out to countries, especially in the Indian Ocean region. Talking about this trilateral, it is, of course, comes at a time when there is an increased worry of Chinese influence in the Indian Ocean region, and that undoubtedly is the biggest issue for a lot of Indian Ocean countries, whether it's India, whether it's Maldives, whether it's Sri Lanka, other countries as well. And this trilateral will focus on how there can be a coordination when it comes to all these 3 countries in making sure that the worry regarding the Chinese can be tackled. In fact, there has been an increased presence of Chinese research vessels and, of course, fishing vessels in the Indian Ocean region, roughly around 450 vessels in the Indian Ocean region, and they have been indulging in a lot of fishing that can deplete resources in the exclusive economic zones of countries like India, Sri Lanka and Maldives. So that, of course, is the big concern. But by and large, if you look at the geopolitical developments, there have been a number of geopolitical development, including the visit of the US Secretary of State to Sri Lanka and Maldives. Both Maldives one an interesting one, given the fact that he announced that the Americans are going to open their mission there. In fact, Maldives has signed an agreement with the Japanese recently regarding defense. So clearly defense being a key priority and like-minded countries coming together. We have seen how the Quad, in terms of the Malabar exercises, had exercised just recently with the invitation of the Australians, and this trilateral, the trilateral between India, Maldives and Sri Lanka could well become the second such grouping of like-minded countries coming together for one common cause.
Absolutely. Leaving it there for the moment. Siddhant, thanks very much.
Co-presented by Skoda. Simply clever.